Alec Baldwin broke down in court as a judge dismissed the involuntary manslaughter case against him related to the fatal shooting of Helena Hutchins on the set of Rust. The judge ruled that prosecutors withheld evidence, including bullets from Baldwin's team, and the dismissal was made with prejudice, preventing the case from being refiled. Novak Djokovic and Carlos Alcaraz face off in the Wimbledon final with historic implications. Alcaraz, 21, seeks his second Wimbledon and fourth Grand Slam title, while Djokovic, 37, aims for a record 25th Grand Slam and 8th Wimbledon title. Captain America Brave New World premieres February 14, 2025. Cast: Anthony Mackie, Harrison Ford, Danny Ramirez, Shira Haas, and more. Director: Julius Ona. Producers: Kevin Feige, Nate Moore. Plot: Captain America and President Ross uncover a global plot. Elon Musk and other right-leaning tech leaders spread unsubstantiated claims and criticized diversity initiatives on X, formerly Twitter, influencing the narrative and trending topics like deep state and Antifa, with Musk's Trump endorsement post reaching 118 million views. Trump injured in assassination attempt at Pennsylvania rally. Gunman killed by Secret Service. Motive unknown but believed to have acted alone. Biden ordered security review. FBI investigates potential domestic terrorism. Both Trump and Biden call for unity and calm amid uncertainty in presidential campaign. Tracy Cortez's 11-fight win streak ended with a unanimous decision loss to Rose Namajunas in UFC Denver after taking the fight on short notice and struggling with altitude and preparation. Spain won Euro 2024, defeating England 2-1 with a late goal from Michael Oyarzabal and a crucial goal line clearance by Dani Olmo, claiming their record fourth European title. Richard Simmons, the beloved fitness icon, passed away at 76, leaving behind a legacy of joy, love, and fitness inspiration. Carlos Alcaraz, 21, won his second Wimbledon title, beating Novak Djokovic 6-2, 6-2, 7-6 for remaining undefeated in major finals 4-0 and becoming the sixth man to achieve the French Open Wimbledon double in the same season. Jacoby Jones, the former NFL receiver who made a record-breaking 108-yard kickoff return touchdown in Super Bowl 47, has passed away at age 40. Argentina won the Copa America title, beating Colombia 1-0 in extra time, with Lionel Messi lifting the trophy despite an injury, earning Argentina's record sixth title. Argentina won the Copa America title, beating Colombia 1-0 in extra time, with Lionel Messi lifting the trophy despite an injury, earning Argentina's record sixth title. Alyssa Milano honored Shannon Doherty, her late charmed co-star, despite their feud, praising her talent and offering condolences to her beloved ones. Oilers trade Borgo and Chiasson to Senators for Jarvanti and a draft pick, adding a promising young winger with NHL potential. Bella Thompson, aka Bella Brave, a 10-year-old with rare health conditions, passed away Sunday, inspiring many with her bravery and positivity despite numerous hospitalizations and a bowel transplant. Top Amazon Prime Day home deals: cleaning 22% off Dyson V12, self-emptying Roomba and more. Air quality: 17% off Blue Air 2-in-1 Dyson Air Purifier and fan. Upgrade your cleaning and home tech with significant discounts.